So we are Biotraxis. All of us use cleaning products every day, but very few of us know that there is a chance of 96% that these are actually fossil fuel based. And to this 96%, we can associate 1 billion tons per year of CO2 emission annually, which is quite a lot. And it's very, very frustrating that we still don't have a green solution for such a huge market for our everyday life. But for some of you also know that actually there are some brands that claims 100% sustainability. But unfortunately today, these suffer of a huge gap between price and performances. So more we pay, less we get. This is the reason why in Biotraxis we tackle this problem. We develop a new chemical technology called Ecosaf. Ecosaf is a new chemical process which can deliver a new bio-based detergent derived from agricultural waste. We patented Ecosaf last year, and we look forward to commercialize it. Ecosaf can deliver a detergent that is non-toxic and biodegradable, but what is most amazing of this new product is that finally we can match the performance of the oil-based detergents. And here you can see an example where we compare Ecosaf to a conventional green detergent, and we achieve performances that are much better. Finally, thanks to the low cost of the raw material, the high efficient process that we designed, and the outstanding performance of Ecosaf, we can finally mind the gap between green and fossil fuel-based products, being capable also to deliver a new selling point in this industry as a cleaning product that is derived from rubbish. This is our team. We are 3 founders. We work in each segment of the supply chain: raw material supply, process development, and application development. And each one of us has different expertise in each area. We further introduced in our team a former vice president of a very important detergent company. And our values and dream in the short term is to replace at least 2% of the fossil fuel-based product in the United States. Currently, we raise £800,000 in angel investment, £250,000 as a grant from Shell, further securing a strategic R&D partnership for scale-up. We won the first place in the Climate Launchpad. This is Biotraxis. We are currently looking for investors for our next investment round and potential partners to scale up the technology and commercialize it, so that all of us can see very soon Ecosaf in the shelf of all our supermarket.
Well done, and we welcome a member of your team to take questions now too. So starting off with a question on scale, and what scale have you successfully extracted the biodetergent on?
So currently we are in the lab scale. We already developed to TRL5 some step of the process, and it's about 5 kilograms, which for a lab scale is quite a lot. It's pilot scale. In the next 2 years, we aim to scale up the process to 200 tons.
Any further questions? We have one on how does your solution compare against other natural solutions in the market?
Yeah, definitely. So we use waste agricultural products, while the green solution today, they rely a lot of palm oil, which green credentials are very questionable. Our product is derived half from waste agriculture and half from palm oil.
A good question on the existing brands like Method and Ecosaf. How do you compete on price with them?
So the price today, let's say, it's difficult to say because we are very early stage. Those are commercial detergents. Let's say that Ecosaf and 7th generation are definitely overpriced product for what they are delivering. Some of their products are around $15 per kilograms. Let's say according to our cost model that we have now, we can easily compete with that. But of course, lower are the volumes, higher need to be the price.
Okay. A question on the chemicals involved in the extraction that are petrochemically derived.
Okay. we don't have petrochemical products in our process. Our process is a synthetic process, so we do chemical transformation of the biomass in intermediate chemicals until arriving to the final product. So there are no petrochemicals involved, and the net CO2 emission from the process is 0.
How about the challenges that you've faced potentially faced in scaling this technology?
Yeah, we are generally speaking about a new chemical process, and this is a disruptive approach, meaning that yes, we can use some segment of the supply chain already, but we need to create new steps for our chemical transformation. Ultimately, for this process to be successful and be highly competitive, very high capital costs are involved in the range of 200 million. So capital cost is the main barrier for us to scale up.
Brilliant. Just time for another question on focusing on whether you're focusing on retail or commercial customers currently.
So the current business model is more focused on licensing the chemical process to a detergent manufacturer, to a chemical manufacturer. This is our initial business model, but of course, us as engineers, we would like to be more producer of this compound and sell it, and maybe entering the formulation market. Currently, we are aiming to license the technology.
Okay. What specific biomass do you require?
So each type of biomass can work for this. Ideally, corn cob. Corn cob is the best biomass that allows a better techno-economic efficiency of the process. But any type of biomass is suitable for our process.
Brilliant. That brings us to time. Well done. Thank you very much.
Thank you.